calls your name? Yes, nigga. Hello? I'm just a spitting image of you, a mirror reflection, bruh. I'm just like you, I'm just like you. Short temper, zero tolerance for fuck niggas, bruh. I'm just like you, I'm just like you. I don't know why you tripping. If it's in you, then it's in me too. I'm just like you, I'm just like you. Last I checked, nigga, we were about identical. I'm just like you, I'm just like you. What's happening, BigGlock? It's been a minute since we chopped. The other day I had to pop a nigga top. Ran from cops, shit is hot. My bitch done made some changes to the locks, and I was wondering, can I lay low at your spot? What's your thoughts? Well, I never thought this age and time that you be on the same shit. Hard-headed nigga living dangerous. Think before you move. Institutions they do still have your fucking size in the para prison blues. Even though I know that's true, I can't be played with. The nigga play shit, you were in doubt. What it was about my money, nigga gamble me on air. Pow, pow. Okay, I probably would've did the same damn thing and made the nigga eat them bullets. But certain situations you ought not even be put in. You gamble with any and everybody, and bitch you shouldn't. Money ain't growing on trees. Hard to get a J.O.B. because these fucking felonies. That's a lie. Off your ass and on your feet, little nigga, you gotta apply. Starting to feel like nigga, you judging me. My next question is why? No, bro, never that. You shouldn't wanna double back. I'm trying to keep you out the system, so I'm hitting you with these facts. Easy to backpedal, being influenced by the devil, been influenced by the weed, been influenced by the liquor, been influenced by them bitches. You be tricking, you be fucking up, but you gon' get it back cause you a hustler. You go by the name of TwinGlock, still buff for what? I took more than one pistol big, I have to double up. Niggas will kill me and you, that's if we ever slip. Chicken at the funeral, mama gonna shed a tear, so we gotta practice field. Life is but a battlefield, quick on the draw, can't be slow like a caterpillar. Stood over the nigga die, bitch, watch this soul leave. No hesitations, now investigations by the police. Hope you wasn't sloppy, always told you to be super smooth. I ain't leave a damn trace, I know how to use the tool. Yet and still you paranoid and now you calling me. My nigga is my number 2, so technically I'm calling we. Could call our brother me, but that nigga out of town. Could call our sister cool, but you don't wanna stress her out. And you know if I call mama, she gon' cuss your ass out. So that brings me to you, I don't know no other routes. Beneath the master spell key, I meet you at the house. The liquor's in the freezer, nigga, just don't drink me out. Say you just keep it cool and I'll be there in like an hour. Kick back for like a week, my nigga, you just catch the couch, chill your bad ass. I'm just a spitting image of you, a mirror reflection, bro. I'm just like you, I'm just like you. Short temper, zero tolerance for fuck niggas, bro. I'm just like you, I'm just like you. I don't know why you tripping, if it's in you, then it's in me too. I'm just like you, I'm just like you. Last I checked, nigga, we were about identical. I'm just like you, I'm just like you. I'm just a spitting image of you, a mirror reflection, bro. I'm just like you, I'm just like you. Short temper, zero tolerance for fuck niggas, bro. I'm just like you, I'm just like you. I don't know why you tripping, if it's in you, then it's in me too. I'm just like you, I'm just like you. Last I checked, nigga, we were about identical. I'm just like you, I'm just like you. I tell you what, I'ma keep my ear to the streets. That way we know what the fuck's going on. You just lay low, and when you get up, make yourself at home. Make yourself a sandwich or something, nigga. The fuck? You don't get but so many chances in this game. Keep it gangster, but nigga don't strike out, you dig? It's that TwinGlock versus BigGlock part 2. TwinGlock versus BigGlock part 2. Part 2.